Welcome back. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, I'm going to review this wig. This wig, it's an Amazon wig. From an Amazon seller. They reached out to me to try this wig, and the name of the brand is called Beauty Forever. Beauty Forever, whichever way you want to call it, with a T or without a T. Beauty or Beauty Forever. It's an Amazon seller, and they sent this wig to me. This wig is 16 inches long. All right, the Beauty Forever ombre blonde highlights human hair headband wig. It's mixed with honey tracks. That's the description on their site, and this wig is sold for $85.68.
Do you believe in love? How crazy it could be, baby, stop. Take it easy.
Where is it? I've opened the box and we have wig cap inside of it. We have the headband right here, and also the star of the show, which is the wig. So inside right here, so inside there, I think we have more. I'm seeing some other fabrics, maybe additional bands, headband, I think. Yeah, it's okay. There's one more right here. Okay, so I have two headband inside of it, and here is the wig. It says human hair, so I'm about to see, and of course you all know we're going to talk about the texture and see the shading. It's true to color. All right, it is true to color. I can flow through it with my fingers. It's wavy. It's beautiful. This is 16 inches long, and inside it has this comb right here, and it has another one at the back. Of course, this is the velcro to adjust it to your head size. It's beautiful. I like the density too. It's not too thick, it's not too thin. The volume is just perfect, and it's not heavy. It feels very light, and I am pulling it so hard like I usually do. It's not, see, I don't see anything shading. It's beautiful, and the color is so true to color. You know how they say blonde with honey strikes, yes, you see, and it has the black coming from here, then it flows to the bottom like that, very wavy. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop it on and put on the band, and you know, and show you how it looks on my head, and we'll wrap up this video. All right. This wig by Forever Beauty, it's absolutely beautiful. It doesn't feel like I have a wig on. It's very light. It feels so good on my skin. It doesn't feel like synthetic, that you feel that kind of synthetic feeling on your body. It feels very light. It feels like it's my natural hair, even though it's not mine. You understand what I mean? All right, it feels so good. It's very light. The volume is beautiful. The density is amazing. The price is very affordable, in my own opinion. For $68 and some few coins, I feel like it's very affordable, and it's fun to play with, especially with the color. It will suit anybody, any skin tone. That's what I meant to say. It's going to suit any skin tone. It's really beautiful. If you want to give it a try, I'll put a link in the description box. I really like it, and it's not shedding. It's not shedding. Nothing is coming out. So I like that fact, and I like the fact that you can flow you can flow your fingers through it, like I mentioned earlier on. So that is it about it. I really like it. I really like it. It's beautiful. It's, yeah, it's worth trying. So thank you so much, Forever Beauty, for reaching out to me to try this amazing wig. Thank you so much. I appreciate you, and thank you all so much for watching. Please do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know your thought about this video, and thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.